So meaning ito yung pinaka-monthly mo if ever man na magkaroon dito ng price movement sa gantong starting price, no? Quick update lang tayo today guys. Itong kay Galaxis, meron na tayo ditong 6,045. Last time I give perspective dito around 2K pa lang yung pinaka-Galaxis natin since daily ito nag-generate pag meron kang engine nodes dito, no? Especially sa mga nagtatanong paano step by step dito as well as kung ano na ba yung pinaka-update ko dito. And pag-usapan din natin dito guys yung mga followers, sino yung mga notable in crypto space na naka-follow dito kay Galaxis, as well as yung pinaka-calculator, the daily passive income dito, if ma-reach niya yung pinaka-TGA market cap, as well as yung pinaka-starting price. Well, check lang dito, speculation na daily income mo if ever man na ma-list ito sa major exchanges guys, no? And credits dito para sa calculator na to kay DeFi Life YouTube channel. So sa kanya ko to nakuha. And step by step discussion tayo dito guys gamit itong pinaka-code kasi kailangan mo dito pag pioneer ka ng pinaka-code para makakuha ng Galaxis engine, no? Step by step natin dito na bibigyan ng perspective gamit natin yung Nabi wallet, pwede naman MetaMask, Trust wallet, pwede dito guys, and other Web3 wallets, no? Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So unahin na siguro natin dito guys yung mga nag-follow for Galaxis. Punta tayo sa followers niya sa Twitter or dito kay X. Tao dito sa followers you know. So as we can see, tinalo siya ni web3games.com. Parallel, Jihos ng Axie Infinity, Origin Protocol, Ethereum Network. Ito, si Joseph Lubin guys, isa sa mga co-founder ng Ethereum, no? Founder ng Consensus. Linnea is under Consensus, chairman ng Consensus Mish. Ito, isa sa mga notable figure ito in crypto space, CoinMarketCap, Gabi Dizo ng YGG. Yan lang naman yung mga nag-follow dito kay Galaxis, no? So, exciting itong Galaxis project in crypto space. Isa sa mga, I think, on my own perspective, isa sa mga narrative. But then again guys, itong video natin today is just an idea lang. For reference, does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito guys, and if ever man today I give some demo or pinaka-tutorials, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong is that SDT ko dito is just a house money, meaning ito ay sobrang pera ko or ito ay profits ko from trading, no? So, I've been doing buy and sell dito. Meron tayo ditong 825. So, gagamitin ko lang dito guys is 777 USDT. Ito is pinaka-profits ko to from my previous trades guys, no? So maybe I'll give perspective lang dito and not financial advice guys, no? Please make sure to do further research pa rin sa end niyo to have informed decisions dito kasi crypto is one of the riskiest asset, and make sure you understand that risk para mas magkaroon kayo ng informed decisions. So for now, punta muna tayo guys dito sa kung paano makapagkuha or makapurchase ng Galaxis, no? So if you notice guys, nasa 8,148 na yung engine nodes na activated. This means pag umabot ng maybe 10k, nasa 999 USDT na. Tapos meron pang additional USDT if ever na meron na purchase on top of 10k activated nodes na 200. So say for example, 10,200 na yung na-activate, meron pang additional USDT on top of the price, no? Right now, maybe purchase dito. Pag-usapan din natin tong calculator mamaya. Magkano yung makukuha mo if meron kang engine nodes, no? So, balik muna tayo dito. Ayan. So, ito guys, lalay ko na lang yung pinaka-code nito or official link sa description ng video na to para ma-check nyo rin to get Galaxis, no? Kasi if you are a pioneer, kailangan mo ng pinaka-code dito. Make sure lang na hindi ka resident within this jurisdiction. Ngayon, mag-withdraw lang ako dito. Gamit ko yung Rabi wallet. So, punta lang ako dito sa may Rabi wallet ko. Ayan. Tapos, kopyahin ko lang yung pinaka-address ko dito. So, say for example, USDT. Kay Polygon. Ayan. So, copy ko lang to. Then, balik lang ako dito. And then, punta lang ako dito sa assets. Ayan. Pwede naman directly mag-withdraw. Pero, punta lang sa assets. Tapos, withdraw. Ayan. And then, USDT. And then, select ko dito yung network. Palitan ko siya ng Matic, no? Ito. Matic Polygon. And then, paste ko lang dito yung pinaka-address ko. Then, tap next. Ayan. So, USDT. Tapos, Matic. And then, yung pinaka-address mo. Pero, since meron pala ditong 1 USDT na fees, so, add ko na lang to para sakto. 778. Para sakto yung marireceive natin, ha? 777 USDT. And then, pagtapos nyan, tap withdraw. And, agree lang. So, yun. Na-withdraw na natin yun, guys. Antay na lang natin siya na mag-reflect. dito sa pinaka-wallet natin. And if ever na mag-reflect to, punta lang tayo dito. Ang official link nasa description ng video na to. So you can use this code. No? So maya-maya, wait na lang natin na mag-reflect dito. So for now guys, habang inaantay natin yung pinaka-USDT natin, punta muna tayo dito sa calculator, which is credits, no? Kay DeFi Live YouTube channel. So dito guys, ito is just approximate, no? Speculation price lang. So maybe highlight ko lang itong pinaka market cap, tapos yung pinaka starting price, as well as yung pinaka daily if ever man na ma-reach nyo yung market cap ng 25M. Meron kang isang engine, and yung potential price niya dito is that. So if ever man na umabot to ng, sabihin natin, 100M market cap, so meaning yung magiging price niya dito on the TJ or token generation event once na mali sa exchanges, that more or less nasa 21 cents, no? So yung magiging daily mo dito, which is daily passive income, is that nasa 21, no? Around 21 USDT, pero it will decline yan hanggang 4 USDT. Magkakaroon naman siya ng increase kasi meron ditong pinaka-decrease ng pag-provide or pag-generate ng reward every year, guys, no? So diniscuss ko to during first video natin. Meron siyang pinaka-deflationary mechanism na every year na di-decrease yung pag-provide ng rewards, no? As we can check dito, since wala na masyadong pinaka-reward na generate, still retain yung demand, yung price niya dito will potentially, guys, no, na magkaroon ng increase. So meaning ito yung pinaka-monthly mo if ever man na magkaroon dito ng price movement sa gantong starting price, no? So upon observation, nasa 794 monthly. This is just a speculation, guys, no? Don't expect na ganito talaga. Pwedeng, say for example, around 50 or 20M market cap, ganito lang yung magiging monthly mo. Ayan. Pwede naman na, say for example, mas mababa pa dyan. So, ganyan lang magiging monthly mo. We'll see, guys, no? We'll see. Kasi other nodes ngayon, kagaya ni Gala, is that sobrang mahal na ng pinaka-node ni Gala. As well as yung kay AGI, Elysium, is that sobrang mahal na rin. So, if ever man na ayaw mo na dito mag-mine, tapos meron kang, or ayaw mo na mag-claim ng rewards daily, I think, if I'm not mistaken, pwede siya i-transfer or pwede mo siyang ibenta sa OpenSea. So, if ever man na you get yung nodes na yun around 777 lang, you can sell that naman sa OpenSea. Yeah, you can just check these details, guys, so you have further ideas pa dito, no? So for now, let's check kung nag-reflect na. As a disclaimer, guys, this is just my house money. Ito yung sobrang pera ko lang. I just use this one to have these galaxies and make sure you understand dito yung risk, guys, no? So for now, let's purchase dito. Ito, guys, no, as mentioned, kailangan nyo yung code since Pioneer itong node na to, nasa 777 USDT pa lang. Ito use this code 6226D0 kasi kung wala yan, for example, wala to, hindi ka makakapag-purchase, guys. So, kailangan yung code na yun. Ayan. So, check natin ulit if nag-reflect na. Ayun. So, nag-reflect na yung 777 USDT. So, dito, guys, pwede naman MetaMask, no? Ginamit ko lang dito Rabi Wallet. Pero MetaMask, Trust Wallet, pwede naman dito. Tapos nyan, connect ko lang to. Ito yung mga available wallets na pwede. And make sure, guys, to store secure yung pinaka-wallet mo dito kasi mahal din yung engine nodes na yan. Nasa 777 USDT. So, make sure na nakastore and na iingatan mo yung pinaka-wallet mo dyan, guys. Piliin ko lang dito Rabi Wallet. Then, ignore lang to. Tapos, connect. And, yun, connected na. Meron ako ditong 777 USDT yung pinasa natin. So for now, I am not resident naman dito sa mga bansa na ito. Tapos nyan, I'll need to buy this one. Meron ditong disclaimer. You can read this one. Basa ko na yan during my first purchase dito. Sign and create, confirm, and probing USDT. Ito, I'll ignore lang. Just make sure, guys, na meron kang pinaka-matic, no, or Polygon para confirmations dito or gas fees, no. So after that, sign and create, confirm, and yun. Antayin na lang natin na ma-confirm yung pinaka-kuha natin dito na Galaxy's engine. And especially sa mga nagtatanong, hope you get some ideas dito, guys, no? And katapos nyan, confirmation for 777 USDT. Sign and create, confirm. So, sana na-acknowledge yung mga questions or mga feedbacks nyo dito. So, yun. Meron na tayo ditong nakuha. I think next day mag-generate. So, dalawa na yung pinaka-engine nodes ko dito. And we'll see kung paano mag-materialize yung Galaxies dito, hopefully. And then again, guys, you need to study the risk pa rin dito. As mentioned, I just use lang dito ng spare house money yung profits ko from trading, guys. No? Hope you get some ideas dito, especially dun sa mga nagtatanong. Hope I acknowledge your questions. And kung meron pa kayo dito mga questions, feel free to ask lang sa video natin today, and you can just visit itong kay Galaxis. Andito yung mga updates and other announcements, guys. If ever man na magkaroon na sila ng listings dito. So, yun lang for today, guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.